Hey, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to open and fly the Sharper Image DX-1, the little micro drone. Let's see how this does. Here's the box. Not a bad looking little drone. It's pretty small though. There's your backside. See if we can get this open here. There we go. There's your drone. There's your underside, your charge port. There's your charging cable and extra propellers. Here's your transmitter. There's your battery packs. See, I've already got batteries in it. Look at there. You can put the drone in there and store it. Carry it around with you pretty easy. Put the back on and there it is. I like that. There's your drone. There's transmitter. Here's your propeller guards. You gotta be careful though when you get these on. They have to be snapped down on there good or they'll hit the propeller. Sometimes when you crash you better check them too. They snap right on there. There it is. There's your charging port, your on-off button. See the lights flash? It has to be paired up with the transmitter. Turn the transmitter on, do your left joystick up and down. You hear them pair up? And they quit flashing. So, oops. Be adjusted, doesn't it? There's your adjustment. If it goes left, move adjustment right. Some more. Still need some more, don't I? Whoop, back and left. Maybe a little better. Well, let's get it in the floor here. Up, the battery's flashing. Lights are flashing, the batteries run down. Didn't get much time out of that battery, did we? Well, here we go, we'll charge it. There's your charging cable. Plugs in the computer. The other end goes right in here, like right there. See, it has like a T that goes to the bottom. Slips right on there. Be careful, don't break that. It's pretty flimsy looking. Here we go. Now plug it into the USB port. See that red light? It's charging. When that goes off, it's supposed to be ready. Let's see what we can do here. Whoop. Looks like the propeller guards need adjusting. They're hitting the propeller. Paired it up. A little better. I'm not happy with the way this flies. Let's do some adjusting here. Hear the beeps? I'm adjusting the trim. Propeller guard. More adjustment. That wasn't too bad. White lights front, red lights back. Whoops. See the red lights? That's the rear. Rear white light, that's the front. Turn it back around. More adjustments. Getting a little better. Uh-oh, lights are flashing again. Didn't get much out of that charge either, did we? Well, let's charge it up.